to our culture. So out of the 10 emails I send in a month to all of you, 9 of them are related to culture, different parts of it. We deliberately talk about culture a lot because everything that we want, all the expectations we have, all the numbers we look at, all those results we share on a daily basis are emerging properties of culture. So if we, all of us, share the same values at the same level and truly exercise them at necessary levels, results will manifest the implementation of these values. Does that make sense? We talk about it a lot. And we are very deliberate in building a culture that we want. Every organization has a culture. They may not even talk about it. They may not even know it. But every organization, like every country, has a culture. We have our own. I'm not saying our culture is the best. I'm not even saying it's good. I'm not saying it's bad, but it's ours. Anyone who comes here and wants to become successful, they need to embrace our values. And again, I'm not saying these are great values, but they're ours. Right? So it's important to understand these values, make sure we live them, we behave them, we share them, and we make it a part of everything that we do. So we have lots of components to our culture, lots. But I want to focus on just a few today. And then comes grit. I don't think all of you got my video on grit, but you know, there is a University of Pennsylvania researcher who did research on grit, and her findings was that people's IQ, their background, their household income, their societal status, none of that they were not determinants of their future in whatever they wanted to do, whether they wanted to go to school or they wanted to become business people. She found out it's grit, perseverance, and passion. If you persevere and if you're passionate about something, you will get it done. Regardless of how smart you are, how capable you are, if you have the passion and the perseverance and determination, you figure it out.